Greetings. Listen, when it comes to marketing, you have to be strategic at it. You have to be consistent. It is not easy. In the digital world, it changes every day, every year. It changes. And that is why I put together some online classes to help you get through this journey. It is costly in order to run a business. It does cost investing. However, what I like to do is help my clients with that process, taking it one step at a time. We can keep making excuses all day, but excuses are not going to get us anywhere. And that is why I put together and put all my tools, my tips, things that I'm still learning today into a class or a blueprint and lay it out for you to understand it clearly. If you take these steps without even having to hire anyone or at least get you going, you're going to be off to a right track. Now, I still do the work, but because it costs a little more to hire me, I'm giving you the steps to get you there first. Because when you hire me, what I do is lay the foundation. If you don't have a website, we start with that. Well, we start with the logo. If you don't have a logo, some of you don't even have a business name. But most of the time when you come to me, you have an idea of your business name. You just may not have a logo. If you don't have a logo, you don't have a website. We decide whether you need a full-fledged website or you just need a landing page. If you don't have that, me and my team will create that for you. If you don't have a business social media platform, we'll set that up for you as well. And you have to separate business from personal. And so when you hire BG Promotions Inc., we set up your entire digital platform, including the website, the social media platform, as well as get you on the search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo. We make you a presence online. Once your foundation is laid and we have crossed all our T's and have dot all our I's, we'll move to the next level, which is the marketing aspect, getting yourself out there, exposure. It all takes steps, but during the process, when I'm building your platform, I do start I call a soft launch. Start letting people know, hey, I got a client or I have a customer and we're working on this. Stay tuned. Anything that involves putting your business out there is marketing. And so you want to take a business page and share that business page to a personal platform. Then your people that are in your personal platform will see. And your job is to teach them who your business is or what your business does and who you are. And because a lot of us are working 9 to 5s and some of us start at the last minute. They decide, hey, I want to start me a business. And some of us don't do no research or anything. They just jump right into it. Well, if you're somebody that have an idea, but you don't know how to get it out there, consult with me. Set up a consultation with me. Even just having a consultation with me, I will make sure that you are led correctly on getting your business off the ground or your idea. And even if you're somebody who already has a brand or a business that's in existence and you don't have any time for marketing, that is again why you hire a marketing company or agency like myself that can take your brand to another level, help your brand market. We'll build your content. We're content creators, so we'll build your content. We can produce video content for you. We can take photos if you have products and you need a product shoot. We are your one-stop shop for all things media. So what I like you to do is first, I am offering a free class. And sign up for my free class. Once you sign up, it'll allow you to join. I will accept you into my program, and you will be able to take the first free class. And I want input. I want to know how you like it or you don't, or what else you like to know. And then I'm offering other programs for people who are already running their business. Everything that is, I'm giving some good tools, some great information, some things that as an entrepreneur that a lot of us do, that if you're new in this business, you'll learn a lot. But I thank you for your time. Make sure you visit me online at thecoachmccoy.com and check out all of our online programs. And you may visit my website at bgpromotionsinc.com. And remember, through me, they see you. It's go time. Peace.